Pillar gauge. The pillar gauge is a simple yet highly precise measuring instrument used to determine the gap or clearance between two surfaces. Despite its a small and straightforward design, it plays a crucial role in ensuring accuracy, alignment, and proper fitting in mechanical and engineering applications. The principle of measurement of a pillar gauge is based on the contact measurement method, where the user determines the clearance or gap between two surfaces by physically inserting a thin metal blade of known as a thickness into the space. During the process, the blade is gently slide between two surfaces, such as mechanical components or melting parts, until a slight friction or light drag is felt, indicating that a blade thickness closely matches the size of the gap. The correct blade is identified as a one that fits snugly without forcing, yet can still be moved smoothly with a minimal resistance, ensuring an accurate reading of the clearance. For instance, in an automotive engine maintenance test, a mechanic may use a pillar gauge to measure the valve clearance between the crankshaft and rocker arm. If a 0.25mm blade moves with just a right amount of friction, it confirms that the valve gap is correctly adjusted, ensuring optimal engine performance and preventing issues such as valve noise or loss compression. For the relevant standard, a pillar gauge are manufactured according to international standards such as ISO 3650 and BS 947, which define the tolerance, blade material, and thickness accuracy. The blades are usually made from a stainless steel for corrosion resistance and long durability. The next is for the theoretical calibration is a pillar gauge involves comparing the thickness of each blade with a reference slip gauge or calibrate micrometer. If the reading difference within allowed tolerance, the blade is not accepted. If not, it must be replaced. Error in measurement using a pillar gauge can occur due to several factors such as wear and tear of the blade over time, bending or deformation caused by improper handling or the presence of dirt, oil, or dust, particle between the contact surface. This issue can lead to incorrect reading by altering the actual thickness of the blade or preventing proper contact between the measured surface. To minimize measurement uncertainty, it is essential to keep the gauge clean and free from contaminants, as even a small particle can significantly affect a precision in tight tolerance measurement. Additionally, the blade should be regularly inspected for a sign of a damage or corrosion and handled carefully to avoid a bending. For lastly, professional responsibility as a future engineering and technician, we must use the measurement tool responsibly. Always follow the calibration standard, avoid falsifying results, and maintain honesty and professionalism in all measurement tasks. That's all for me. Thank you.